Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make delicious and yummy party chicken in pepper sauce. This sauce is so delicious and has a unique smoky taste. Please continue watching if you want to find out how I make this delicious chicken in pepper sauce. To make this chicken in pepper sauce, I'll be using hard chicken which I've already washed. I'll add stock cube, add white pepper powder, add thyme, add salt. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Mix to combine. We're adding the blended ingredients, which is made up of ginger, garlic, onion and scotch bonnet. Then I will mix to combine. I'll cover the pot and cook. When it's cooking, I'll be adding some water and allow it to cook until tender. When it's fully cooked and tender, I'll remove from the stock and transfer the chicken to the oven tray. If you like, you can fry yours, but I prefer grilling the chicken. I like to use the oven method so that I can roast the tomatoes, scotch bonnet and red bell pepper that I'll be using for the sauce. Into a preheated oven, add the chicken and the tomato. After about 25 minutes, I will bring out the chicken and turn to grill the both sides. When the chicken and the tomato mixture is done, I will remove from the oven. I like to roast the tomato and red bell pepper mixture because it gives this sauce a special taste and saves time. I will add the scotch bonnet, cameroon pepper, then add the roasted tomato mixture into the blender. Then I'll blend into a smooth puree. When I'm done blending, I hope you can notice how colorful and thick the tomato mixture is. This will make the sauce to fry quickly. Then into a preheated pan, I'll be adding some oil. I will add the blended tomato mixture into the oil and stir to fry. While the sauce is frying, I will add stock cube, add curry powder, I'll be stirring. I will also add salt. I will stir and fry for about 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, when the sauce is ready, I will add the grilled chicken. While the chicken is simmering in the sauce, I'll be garnishing it with some sliced mixed bell peppers and onion. Feel free to add any garnishing or vegetable of your choice. Then I will gently cover the lid and give it a good shake to mix properly. When the chicken have mixed properly to the sauce, I will just cook for a minute and turn off the heat. I hope you can see how easy it is to make chicken in smoky pepper sauce. This chicken tastes so delicious and is so easy to prepare. I hope you try this out, and thank you all for watching.